love homeopathy and I love homeopaths. It's as simple as that. As like cures like, I think we have to scratch beneath the surface to understand this. How did this help us, for example? As I told you more than once, we were a company that had no exports. Today, almost half of what we make is exported. So we said to ourselves, let us also take an individualized, holistic, dynamic view of the situation. Dynamic means you take the feedback, you make the improvement, you take the feedback, you make the improvement. We first started, therefore, with the lowest potency, exporting to Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, because they were markets like India. We said if we succeed here, we will succeed there also. In phase 2, we went to Africa, where we are now 1 out of 3 motorcycles. That was a bigger challenge, so we kept it for later. Because Africa is far away. If the motorcycle has a problem, we won't be able to service the customer in time. We will lose our name and we will lose our market forever. So that we took in a next stage. And learning from that, we went to LATAM, we went to ASEAN, and finally to the US, European, Japanese markets. So in this way, taking a like cures like approach, that if as a company we cannot export, and I don't want to take too many names, but other Indian automakers, and you know who the names are, their exports are 2%, 4%, 8%. You can Google all this afterwards at the end of the day. Why is it only almost 50% in the case of Bajaj? And I think the single biggest reason for that is this. Because unlike them, we didn't say, we're not able to export, so let us sell more in the domestic market, let us reduce the price, let us create some other product segment. We said no, like cures like. If we are not capable of export, we must export, but not with such a high potency immediately that it will aggravate us. Let us go step by step, Sri Lanka, Africa, Colombia, America, in this way. So I would say at a very, very fundamental level, our export strategy also, and if you know people who are part of my company, you will know, this is exactly what we discussed. And we used to talk in homeopathic terms, we used to give these examples, and we used to craft our export strategy on this basis. So I would say, in the context of like cures like, our export strategy owes itself to this kind of thinking.